Yes. Yes, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Um, good afternoon, sir. Myself, I'm a Pranav Redekar, and I am from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Recently, I secured All India rank 58 in GATE Production and Industrial Examination. Also, I have worked at Worley, which is a contractor for EPC and EPCM projects in the field of oil and gas renewable energy industry. There, I got opportunity to lead a team of 3 members, which is responsible for designing plant layouts, equipment modeling, line routing, and pipe supports, etc. activities. My key contribution to prepare data sheets to get a exact wall thickness calculation by giving input to them as a pressure and temperatures. These management skills and time-saving skills saw by my project manager, and he motivates me to get techno managerial courses for post-graduation. And after that, I also completed my B.Tech in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad, where I managed both academics as well as extracurricular activities. I involved various clubs like ESA, Robo clubs, and we participated at a national competitions where I responsible for operations, internal operations, and designing team. I also involved in CSR activities during my early tenure, and at the college days, I am a representative of NSS from mechanical department. In leisure time, I play volleyball as well as I love to travel. That's it, sir.
Very nice. First, I congratulate you that you are from a government engineering college of Karat.
Yes, sir.
And you have got the 58 rank in this. Okay, GATE.
Thank you, sir.
Now, as you have done the work in pipelines, for ideal gases, how density can be defined?
Pardon me, sir.
The density of a gas.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the formula of density of gas in terms of temperature and pressure?
In terms of temperature and pressure.
Do you require any other thing to calculate the density of a gas?
Can't recall it right now, sir. I think.
Suppose you are dealing with hydrogen, no? Okay. Or what is the molecular weight of the hydrogen? Molecular mass of hydrogen.
It's 2, sir.
Hello?
Hello,
can
sir?
you drive this formula PV is equal to nRT? Then you have to calculate the density.
Yes, sir. We can calculate why PV is equal to MRT, but when to at the right side, then we can get P is equal to rho RT, and by keeping pressure and giving pressure and temperature given to that, we can calculate rho, and R can be calculated by universal gas constant 8.314, and giving with respect to mass, molecular mass.
R is to be calculated, or it has a fixed value?
It can be fixed. The universal gas constant is 8.314, but it is in joule form.
See, use your comprehension fully. PV is equal to nRT. What is N?
Yes.
It is in
N
what
is number of moles. I took M, sir. Actually, mass. I took M.
Then you are doing wrong thing, na? Okay. So now, what is the relation between molecular number, the Avogadro number, mass mm, the mm, and the weight mass?
We can get a number of moles, that is N, which is equal to.
See, in in hydrogen, in 1 mole of the hydrogen, how many atoms are there of hydrogen?
Hello sir, sorry to interrupt. Piyush, your interview will be at 2:30, not yet, है ना? Please leave now. And join at 2:30.
Okay.
Piyush, please leave now. Okay sir, please continue.
Continue करो. Hello.
Yes sir, please continue.
I'm not. There is another person.
सर वो एक स्टूडेंट था, वो बीच में ज्वाइन कर लिया था अचानक.
अच्छा. ठीक है. May you tell me the formula of density then?
Yes, sir. I am calculating. Just a minute.
Okay. You let me know what is the difference between PERT and CPM. You talked about that over in plant layout and management of that. What is the difference between PERT and CPM methodology?
Basically, sir, PERT is a project-oriented system, and CPM is activity-based system.
Details. आप कुछ और details add up करिए इसमें. Full form of PERT, full form of CPM.
Okay. अच्छा. PERT, the long form is of PERT is a project evaluation and review technique, and for CPM is I think a critical path method. PERT is basically used for probabilistic models, and CPM is used for deterministic models. I think in real world problems, for example, construction side, we can use CPM technique, and for PERT is suppose I want to launch a new vehicle, for example, any Tata car, then I have to use PERT techniques to get a probabilistic evaluations for that.
You have not given any importance to time expected, optimistic time, pessimistic time, mean time, and then calculating. See, then T is equal to what?
In probabilistic
model, TE is equal to TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. It is used for CPM or PERT?
This is used for PERT. There are three times in PERT, that is optimistic, pessimistic, and mean time, sir. And in CPM we use only one time, that is mean time. We can say that. What
are the standards used in your say the place where you have worked for health and health hazards of the employees?
Okay, there is a separate department called HSC, Health and Safety and Environment Department. These persons are ensure that at workplace means, sir, I have done a design job, which is as a desk job. We are not that much required that the.
Hello.
Am I audible, sir?
Hello. Yes.
At my workplace, we need not to take that much care.
I am interested that every work manager has, if it is a certified company, on the table of every manager or every engineer, there are certain certificates are compulsorily capped. Okay. What those certificates are there? Just ISO 9001. Your company was working on some rules or just as a doing some job?
No, sir, there are some rules, but at that time,
what were those certificates?
Sir, ISO 9000 and 9001 are for these type of rules, and ISO 14000s are environment friendly rules, I think, sir. That much I know, sir.
ISO 14001?
They are used for environment, means right now due to industry there are some bad effects on environment also, na? So to reduce or avoid these type of human interference to the environment and nature, we are using ISO 14000 standards.
अभी जो DRDO ने जैसे SLV एक लॉन्च किया, ओके, और दूसरे मॉडल्स का नाम बताओ. I say SLV. Okay. ASLV. Any other than? And what do you understand by this?
No, sir. I don't have idea about it.
SLP, ASLV, PSLV, GSLV. Daily the government of India is publicizing this. Now, you were talking about that you were in design section. Failure theories. Okay. Failure theories पे बोलिए.
Acha,
Speak
sir.
something failure theories.
There are total. I studied five theories of failure. Among of the one is the Rankine theory. Other is von Mises theory, and third one is maximum principal stress theory, which is also called as a Rankine theory. Distortion energy per unit volume theory is called as a von Mises theory, and another is that Tresca's theory, which is also called as the maximum shear stress theory. These are theories based on at a particular the member of the testing member at a particular time, it will reach a maximum stress or the type of theory, the state. And
you have when I ask you the failure theories, you started the name of the scientist or the engineer who invented.
Yes.
Okay, Rankine lamp.
Yes.
Tell me other scientist names.
Other Tresca, and there are another theory, that distortion theory, which is also called as a von and Mises theory. Means there are two people, von and Mises. They invented the third theory.
What is the Saint Venant's theory?
Saint Venant theory is the maximum principal strain theory, sir.
Coulomb Guest theory. Or Tresca theory.
Tresca theory is the for maximum shear stress theory, sir. We can see.
Hauer and Henke theory.
No, sir, I don't have idea about it.
Okay. These are the theories. So maximum stress theory, maximum strain theory, maximum shear stress theory. What is the condition for maximum shear stress failure theory?
In a member, if the maximum shear stress reaches at a particular stress which is exactly equal to the
0.5 normal stress, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have studied good. है ना? Health के ISO 9004. अभी health ISO 9004. इसमें what specification is done? Now one question is there. Okay, what is the difference between ISO 4001 and ISO 18001?
No, sir, I don't have an idea about it. ISO.
Every work there is a big danger of safety. There are certain proactive activities that before the accident take place, we must take all precautions.
Yes.
On paper we are doing it. We are running towards that this should not happen, this should not happen. Just to make it record by our own code of practice and safe operating procedures, we can enhance the hazard risk, reduce the management of the risk. Now you were talking about the some advantage of carbon credit. से क्या समझते हैं? What do you understand by carbon credit?
Carbon credit, as the increment in the population of a world, there is increment in the carbon of a whole Earth system, and
Relekar, you used the word SAE. Explain it. What is SAE? How did you get the membership of SAE?
Basically, sir, SAE means Society of Automotive Engineers, and this club is at my college, we are the first batch to start the SAE club at our college, and we are participated in national competitions like Indian karting championship.
Okay. What oil of SAE30 you are aware of?
No, what's that?
What oil, grade of oil you are aware of that it is matching SAE30, SAE40, SAE10, 20W40?
No, sir, I don't have idea.
Okay, sir, can I interrupt, sir?
Okay, okay.
Because we have another mock at 30, so that. Okay. So Pranav, can you tell me what's your B.Tech project?
Yes, good afternoon, sir. My B.Tech project is a smart dustbin, sir.
Smart dustbin.
Yes, sir.
So how it works?
Your voice is breaking, sir. Hello.
Pranav?
Yes, sir. It's audible right now.
So how it's working?
Sir. Basically, we designed such a dustbin which will based on the 3B plus boards. We program such that it will take a garbage from a place to place, and they're putting some sensors that will catch that after the fulfillment of the dustbin at a particular length, and then it particular depth, sorry, and it will give a message to the control room, and it will trace the path itself to the dumping section.
So it is useful for the household applications or the industrial application?
It can be useful for both types of use, sir. But
so mainly, basically, it is a type of one robotic.
Yes, sir. We can say that because we are thinking such a way that we are going towards the smart cities concept. It will be very beneficial for smart city concept, but as per the right now condition in Indian cities, we can say that it will be very beneficial or useful in industrial area, because there we are managing rules precisely and strictly rather than from cities. I think, sir. This is my perspective about it.
So how many cost? What's the cost of this project?
It will take around, I think, 10,000, sir.
10,000. So it will also contain the sensor. It is also having some moving mechanism. It will also the mechanism that it can hold the garbage and also the shift to the another place. In a 10,000 only.
Yes,
sir. Confirm?
We if we manufacture mass production, means
I'm not talking about the mass production. You are just storing a single unit, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's the cost of that single unit?
Just a body of that dustbin will cost around 3,000, roughly around 3,000, and the other means it will depends on size also, sir. And if we make a big dustbin, then it will increase cost. But sir, control room and all these things will come under, even if we are expecting we are producing the means we are working on mass activity.
So which sensor you are using for that? It can inform to the control room, and which robotic arm you are just using to just pick the garbage into the garbage box?
There is no any robotic arm. Actually, we just make a dustbin like our regular dustbin, which is open from upper side, and the people once the dustbin is came after our house front, then we have to put into it as a manual.
Where you are just completed your B.Tech?
From Government College Engineering, Karad, sir.
Karachi.
Karad, sir. Karad. Karad, which is placed situated in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra. So I don't think so that whenever you are just talking about your project, it is feasible in the so many low cost or it is applicable to the household application? Are you know about the condition of the road?
That's why, sir, I said na,
So I don't think so that it is applicable to the household applications. In a house you can use, but not in a road or a multiple house. They can just collect the garbage. Similarly, if you're just talking about you are not using any sensors in that, or you are not using any robotic arms or any mechanism which can just pick up the garbage and just in the garbage box. So I'm not think so that is a smart garbage box. Or try to elaborate your projects very smartly. Okay. Because if you're just making that type of a garbage box or a dustbin, that will cost near about so many. I don't think so it will be possible below than the 30 or 40,000. If it is make single sensor, single moving mechanism, if you're just installing a one robot, one a motor in that, it will also cost a 3 to 4,000 minimum. On the motor is only installed on the some materials which is also costing some that. So please read your project very carefully and try to make it feasible. If someone is listening about that and think about that is a feasible project.
Okay, sir.
Because in IISC Bangalore, they are just asking the question your project surely. But it looked like a feasible that you are just do some work in that. Or whatever you are just making it is a feasible one.
Achha, sir.
Okay, because I am not satisfied with your projects according to the cost and the application which you are just telling.
Achha, sir. I will work on
it. Please work on that.
Mr. Relekar, your
yes,
education record is very good. And say the person from Nagpur University they are very good. So you concentrate on where you are working. Where you are working, that area you strongly say. Try to avoid because that your project is not that worthy. You let me know the electrostatic precipitations. Somebody just will start asking you the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, the grease application. As soon as you start the waste, so waste to wealth management, waste to wealth management. What actually your project is doing on waste to wealth management? What is the waste coming out of your project? Then you study to that. Okay.
अच्छा सर, मतलब मैंने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बोला तो वो लोग उस डायरेक्शन में जा सकते हैं.
प्रोजेक्ट तुम्हारा एक सिंपल सा है कि जस्ट एक डिस्चार्ज वो बना रहे हो. वो इंजन के जो इनटेक में डस्ट सेपरेट होती है, वो बताइए कैसे होती है. सपोज you are having a engine, big engine or a equipment more than 1000 bhp. Okay, so in what way the air is being say filtrated or the dust from the atmosphere is removed? You will let me know. वो क्वेश्चन पूछ लेगा तुरंत उसमें ना. ये डस्ट का तो साइक्लोनिक ट्यूब्स आर देयर, उसमें वर्लिंग करते हुए स्पीड जाती है और उसके वर्लिंग से डस्ट प्रिसिपिटेट करके ऑटोमेटिकली नीचे पैन में इकट्ठी हो जाती है और वो ट्रेन आउट हो जाती है. ठीक है, ठीक है बेटे.
परफोरेटेड सर, वी कैन यूज परफोरेटेड फिल्म, ऐसा बोल रहे क्या?
परफोरेटेड ही होती हैं वो, प्लेट्स होती हैं, उसमें ट्यूब लगी होती हैं, वेलोसिटी से होता है, बर्नौली इक्वेशन से उसकी डस्ट नीचे है ना, तो उसको पढ़ना पड़ेगा तुमको. वंस यू स्टार्ट से टेलिंग एनीथिंग, उससे रिलेटेड कुछ भी पूछ. मान लीजिए एयर पोल्यूशन में क्या क्या चीज पोल्यूशन होता है. एयर पोल्यूशन में क्या क्या होता है?
नहीं सर, समझा नहीं मैं.
ओजोन की परसेंटेज, नाइट्रस, NO2, SO2, SA3 है ना. तो ओके, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग तुम्हारा स्ट्रांग है, ठीक है ना. आई कुड गेस you are strong. You try to take it into mechanical engineering part only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Any other suggestions from?
मैं कर दूंगा, अलग से बात कर लूंगा. अगर इन केस तुमको लगता है तो मैं तुम्हें थोड़ा सा गाइड कर दूंगा.
अच्छा सर, can I get your good name, sir, please?
नहीं, वो बाद में कर लो बात. ठीक है, वो उनसे बात करो, HR से, दे में कांटेक्ट. ठीक है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.